So guys, I'm in Calgary Airbnb. I'm near the airport, but there's a literal fucking flood. Haven't been 1 hour of rain, already a flood. And people outside of the neighborhood just turned around onto the other side because there's tons of entrances and it connects. But and then in the neighborhood, people had no choice but to drive into the flood. Oh. And some of the cars got destroyed. The smaller hatchbacks got their engines a bit wrecked. And wait, let me clean out my camera. Okay, it's a bit blue.